Alright guys, welcome to another episode of Sorte para la Verga. I'm going to show y'all how to put the lip on a NBS GMC. Okay? Y'all might have y'all's way of doing it. Y'all probably cut this lip off, but I'm not going to do that bullshit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to trim this. I'm going to cut this lip off right there, because obviously this lip is not for this fucking bumper, which I didn't know that before. Thanks for telling me, by the way. And I'm gonna put self-tapping screws through the bottom of it. I'm gonna put probably like 6. I'm not gonna put that many. But I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how I'm gonna do it. Alright, motherfucker, like the hot plastic's probably gonna go that way, so you might want to stay out the fucking way. Okay, I got my handy dandy assistant over here, Gus, NBS Gus. Y'all can follow him on Instagram. He's gonna put the screws on. We're gonna show y'all how it's done. In case y'all motherfuckers don't know how to use a drill and self-tapping screws, here we go. Dale gas. Más para allá, güey.